Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set or change the DNS to Cloudflare DNS in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our control panel. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for control panel. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, please hit the open option to continue. So you would be able to see a window like this, and if your view doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see the view by, hit this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you have set it, navigate on locating for network and sharing center. In my case, it is being placed at the third row next to indexing options. So please click on it, and in that way you would be able to bring up the network and sharing center where you can view your basic network information and set up connections. So from here, please navigate to the left pane of that at the upper right side of that. I mean left side, sorry. You can see a list of the option. Please proceed with this option called change adapter settings. The moment you do it, you will be able to open up this network connections, where here you would be able to see all of the network adapter that your computer has been connecting to. So if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then select in this one. And if you are connected to network cable, then proceed in this one. Okay, so just have to make a right click and go with this properties. Okay, and this kind of window would appear, which is the Wi-Fi properties. Here, please proceed on locating for Internet Protocol version 4, go with properties, and you would be able to show up this kind of window. Okay, so make sure that this obtain an IP address automatically is being set. And here, if you in your case it is this one is being set as default, make sure that this one is being on to use the following DNS server addresses. Now the Cloudflare DNS is 1.1.1.1. So we need to set the preferred DNS into 1.1.1. And the alternate DNS server for Cloudflare DNS is 1.0.0.1. Once you have set it, click on OK and click on Close. And that way you have just successfully set the Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.